Good morning, all the masters, all my dear friends. I welcome you all for today's session. So, hope you all had nice meditation and session on yesterday. So, today we have another session. The interesting topic today, how meditation helps to improve immunity system of the body is the topic name. How meditation helps to improve the immunity system of the body. Now, in the current scenario of COVID-19, throughout the world, everybody is speaking about immunity system. See, we are human beings. We suffer from so many physical diseases. Then the people goes to hospital, admit in hospital, or get treatment from the hospital. What the medicines does, or the injections does, or the surgery does, is only to add a resistance power to the body, to the physical body. Just they give us medicines so that their immunity system will improve. So that means they can fight with that problem. So that means they are giving a more doses so that they can easily come out of it. Whereas the meditation automatically it improves the immunity system. How? How it improves the immunity system? Let us understand. When we practice meditation, as we said, the cosmic energy flows in the body through Brahmarandhra. When it is happening, the whole cells in the body gets activated. Whatever, okay, so unwanted things in the body that will be released. Then you become having more resistance power. To deal with any disease, what a human being required, there is a resistance power. So we already have the resistance power. Okay, we lost the resistance power. Okay, so how nowadays? Okay, now I'll show you the PPT as well. You can see the research as well as you can see the statements from WHO. 95% of the diseases are psychomatic. That means the problems are from here. Those are appearing as a leg pain or a body pain or a headache or a cancer or a BP, sugar, whatever it is. Then see, when they become mind strong in mind, then automatically the psychomatic diseases will disappear. Because our thinking is causing a problem. We have to keep our mind in our control. So we have to give energy, feed the energy to the mind. Then automatically our resistance power develops every day. Our immunity power develops every day. Psychomatic means what? See, somebody thinking, okay, in the villages, now I am also in my village. So in the villages, what they do generally is somebody is not well, then they start talking about that person. Their illness will not go down, it increases more. We also generally, if not well, we just go and tell to 10 people just to get sympathy. But the science will not work for sympathy. Science says that as long as you are speaking about it, that increases. You have some problem, you just go and tell to 10 people, that becomes more and more. We tell we are reducing the problem by getting the sympathy from them. It never and ever happens in everybody's life. The law of attraction says that what you are speaking, that's happening for you, or what you are thinking, that's happening for you. You have some problem, don't think about it. If you are admitting the problem every day, automatically that increases, that will not reduces. See, meditation improves immunity system. What the doctor says, that medical science says that for a disease they give a medicines, it's a temporary solution, but whereas meditation is a permanent solution. I'll give some case studies for that. In 2009, when I was in the final year engineering, I got migraine headache. You know why? So I had an expectation I'll get a job. Then I do not have any clarity. Forget about the job. I do not have any clarity what to do in my life. What to answer to the society, I don't know. So that confusion or that fear, thought of getting fail in the life, or thought of getting fear in the life, then automatically it created a migraine headache. Then I practiced, I attended a meditation session for 7 days, every day 1 hour meditation practice. That gave me to come out of migraine headache. After that, no more headache. I became perfect physically. That means physical illness is not there. Then I started trying for getting the jobs, everything. Then I went for the training. Then I completed my training. Then I got a job. I was into company. Everything is fine for me. No problem at all. But 2030, okay, when I went to Bangalore in 2010 May, our financial condition was very poor. Okay, we don't have money. Okay, I'm from a village where my parents are not educated. They do agriculture. We have a big family. So I have 7 sisters in my family. So my parents struggled a lot to make them to complete all the activities and also the marriages and everything. And finally, they made me to complete my education. So no money at all. So that was my weakness. Money, okay, being in the poor is my weakness, but I want to make that as a strength. Within next 3 years, by 2013 and 14, I made that as a strength. I got money. We started doing business. We got money. We are able to overcome from that. So that is happened. Then everything is happened. Now whatever I had the weakness, the financial thing, it became strength, and the communication skills, it became strength. Then the presentation skills, the communication skills, everything became strength. Then I could able to do the business with the large clients, and I could able to communicate with the clients. Everything is happening successfully, no problem. But in my family, my father got an illness in the year 2013. This is my personal case study. Okay, please listen carefully. So 2013, he got an illness. What is the illness? Let me tell you. We are from village, as I said. In the village, we won't get normal drinking water. We get fluoride drinking water, fluoride water. If anybody drinks fluoride water, after 40 years, their bones will become weak. They cannot walk properly. They'll get bent. So many things happens in the body, and they get a lot of pains. Everything happens. In my father also, it happened like that. Then I was a meditator. I was doing meditation for achieving my goals in the life, business, job. Everything is successful. Everything okay. But my parents are not. My sisters are not. Then my sister said that he need to go for an operation, he need to get admitted. Yes, we went to the hospital. We admitted him in 2013. Doctor said, no problem. Within 2 months, your father will be all right. We believed it. We believed. Then we admitted him in hospital. The cost was 2 lakh rupees. Okay, 2 lakh rupees in the year 2013 for operation and everything. Operation completed. He got discharged from the hospital. Then after that, 2 months, he was totally on the bed. Totally on the bed. Again, we went to the hospital to the same doctor. The doctor said that we want to do one more surgery. Then I asked, okay, fine, good. We are ready to go ahead. But can you give us a guarantee that he will walk? He said, no guarantee. He or he may not. I cannot give guarantee. But before this operation itself, he told that he will be all right, no problem at all. But now he is saying no guarantee. Then we got doubt. We said, we are not going to operate anymore. He said, even the doctor said, okay, if it may get successful. If it is not being successful, he will be totally in bedridden. We don't want that to happen anymore. So then we took him back. In 2014, in the year 2014, I took him to Bangalore. So my father and my mother came to Bangalore to stay with me. Then I admitted him in one of the multi-specialty hospital called Sakra World Hospital, which is one of the famous in Bangalore. So first question the doctors asked me was, do you have insurance? I said, sir, I don't have any insurance because I'm not working anywhere. Just I'm doing my own business. So I don't have any insurance at all. But I am ready to pay. Even the cost is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, no problem. Because it is my responsibility to take care of my father. So I will do it. So doctors examined for 2 days. I said them clearly, if you give me a guarantee that he will heal and he will be perfectly all right, I am ready to pay. Then doctors examined him for 2 days. There are 7 doctors examined, 6 to 7 doctors. They finally said, your father cannot walk in this lifetime. You just take him back and you just go for a physiotherapy. That is only the solution what we can give, suggestion what we can give. Okay, they said no. Then I took him back. They told one suggestion that you can just go for a physiotherapy just for relaxation. Then we went to physiotherapy. We paid 15,000 rupees for a month, just some relaxation came. Then we admitted him in CMC also. Some of you might have known. CMC is one of the hospital in Chennai. And also we went to Tirupati. In Tirupati there is a Venkateshwara Ayurvedic. So for that also we went. So in Ayurvedic, 1 month treatment, 3 months rest they'll give. Like that we went thrice. So that also we tried. But it just gave some relaxation. Again, my parents said, we cannot stay here, we will go back. Again, they went to my sister's place, Guntur. They cannot sit ideal. Now again, somebody will come and give a suggestion saying that this doctor is good, he will treat. Okay, some of my neighbor got treatment. Then again, he got admitted in the hospital. 6 months treatment. Every day, every month, 20,000 rupees we have to spend for scanning, X-ray, medicines, everything. Every month we are spending. 6 months. After 6 months completion, doctor says that, okay, this problem I cannot able to identify. You just take him back. So one doctor is completed, say 2 doctor is completed, 3 doctors is completed. Every month we are spending 20,000 rupees. No result. We tried allopathy, we tried homeopathy, we tried Chinese medicine, everything. 2014 and 15 we are running behind of each and every hospital. Wherever there is a possibility, we just going. You know what happened in these 2 years? He start having rice. So in the villages we used to eat more rice. Then he got so much of stomach, so much of weight, 100 kilo weight he got. Then he was totally on the bed, totally. For him, 3 people required to take him to restroom for urine, for bath, everything. Every day who will come? 3 people. My mother is also already 65 years age, more than 60. So He cannot alone handle the situation. He needs somebody who will come every day. Nobody will come. That was the pathetic situation in all of our family members. We have money. I have the money. Enough money I have. I made money. So we came out of the financial problem, financial struggle. We came out. We have the money. We can deal with the situation. But money is not working there. Money is not working there. Then what to do? Then 2 years we struggled like anything. Okay, whatever the possibilities are there, everything we tried, but it did not give us happiness. Then 2015 I went to attend Dhyana Chakra, which is one of the biggest meditation event of PSSM, which happens in Hyderabad every year. So 2015, every year I used to go since 2012, but 2015, that was the time where our whole family members are in the depression state, because my father did a lot of hard work. He made everybody to be happy, but finally he is not happy. So we cannot see him, okay, being like that. Then I attended sessions there. Then everybody says that I healed cancer, I healed headache, I healed heart problem, cancer, everything. See, if this is a case, why can't I help my father to do it? I came back in the month of February. We built a small pyramid beside my home. Then I told to my father, we tried all the possible ways. Okay, everything we tried. We spent money, 5 to 6 lakhs. We went to all the hospitals of the many places. Then nothing worked out. So, do you really wanted to walk in your life? My father said, yes, I wanted to walk in my life. I said, there is a possibility. Only you have to do meditation. Everything else we tried. My father also accepted, agreed. In the month of June, he started practicing meditation. 2016, June month. Okay. He got operated in 2013, August. So total 3 years was to the whole depression state of whole family as well, because family is like a 4 wheels, right, to a car. One wheel is not good. Can you drive a car? All the three wheels are fine, good, perfect. Can you drive a car? Similarly, you have a money. See, I got a job. Okay, I started business. We got money. All my sisters were married. Everything okay. But my father is not well. Then how can we be happy as a family members? Think about it. We spent money. We tried all the possible ways, but doctor said that he cannot walk anymore. He need to live his life like that, but he don't want to live like that. Then I told him to my father, we tried all the possible ways, everything we did, okay, but nothing worked out for us. Then only the option we have, only just have to meditate. He said, yes, I will do it. Then he started his meditation in the month of June 2016. Every day, 6 hours of meditation. Okay, 6 hours of meditation every day. Morning 2 hours, afternoon 2 hours, evening 2 hours. Only one time food. Okay, only breakfast, no lunch, no dinner, only fruits and juice. Started in the month of June. Then October 12th, we started a small care center. Brahmarshi Patriji, so he is the founder of PSM Movement. So Patri sir came to inaugurate that care center. So he came to my village and he came to my home. Then he made us to meditate for 20 minutes in the pyramid. Then sir left from there. Then after 15 days, my father started walking with a walker. Till that, so 2016 June to till now almost 4 years, we did not spend on a single rupee on his health. No hospital, no doctor, no medicines, no x-ray, no scanning. Now also, every day he practice 6 hours of meditation. He is being healthy at the age of 72. So he can walk, he can take bath by himself. Everything he will do by himself. He don't need anybody's support. Every day he does meditation. He eat food, then he watch TV, he read some books, spiritual books. He is enjoying his life. Earlier, you know how is the situation from the knee to the down, there is no blood circulation. Even if you touch him, you don't know. Even if you cut his fingers also to the legs, you cannot know that, because total blood circulation was stopped. He cannot move his leg. Now he got everything back. So how he was before 10 years, Now he's perfectly fine. So that is where one of the example that I have seen practically in my life, that meditation improves the immunity system of the body. It's not a small disease. It's a spinal cord problem. So spinal cord surgery happened, but the doctor says that he cannot heal anymore. But still, the meditation said that it can be healed. My dear friends, spiritual science is a permanent solution to all our problems. Permanent solution. Whereas the medical science is a temporary solution. You got a BP or sugar, just go to hospital. Doctor says that you have to use this medicine for lifelong. That means what is happening? Why they are not telling within 2 months it will reduce or 3 months it will reduce? Just they are giving a relaxation, not a solution. You know why? They are giving a medicine to the body, but the problem in the mind. The problem is here, but they are giving a medicine to the body, just you will get relaxation, not the solution at all. So the medicines will work only to the physical body, just to relax, just to forget the problem, but not the solution to the problem. The solution to the problem, you just have to meditate. So the problem is in the mind, the root has to be cleared. That happens only through meditation. This was the practical example or case study. After this, then we have so many case studies. Okay, this was the first experiment I did in 2016. Then after that I decided, okay, I have to support for spreading meditation. This is my purpose of the life, because many people are suffering in the villages. They don't have money. They earn only 1 lakh in a year maximum. Okay, they got some surgery, they go to the hospital, they charge 2 lakhs. How they will pay back? You think about it. Nowadays, in every family, 30% of their income is going to the medical doctors or medicines. You can go and check anywhere. Any family, 30% of their income is going to the pharma industry. Before 50 years, there are any multi-specialty hospitals in India? There are any doctors? If any disease they got, they used to heal with only the leaves, right? Use that leaf or this leaf. But now, if any disease, even cough or cold or fever, just they tell, okay, go and buy this medicine. Now there are only 5 to 10% of the people are practicing the meditation. You know who are practicing meditation? That also I will tell. Only two kind of people are coming to the meditation to heal. One is they don't have money to go to the hospital to go for surgeries. The second one is they have money, but they tried all the possible ways, but the doctor said that we cannot heal. They are coming to meditation, they are getting healed. When they can heal, why a BP sugar cannot heal? They will not come to meditation, because the reason is the doctors are saying it's okay. They are getting the temporary relief. If the doctor says that we cannot heal, then they have to go for meditation. Only 5 to 10% of the people are taking a meditation instead of medicine as a choice in their life to heal themselves. After 20 years, now the Patri sir is saying that only 10 years is the time to require only to make the whole world to become meditators. Then maybe 10, 15 years, 20 years, whatever the time, after 20 years, these medicines will not work. For every problem, you have only the solution, that is meditation. Now COVID-19, nobody is able to handle. The highest technology they have in US, they failed. More than millions of cases they have. Why it happened so? The doctors are failed. They are unable to, the medical science is failed. Only the meditation is the solution. What is they are saying? Stay home and be safe. It's just home quarantine. You will be healed. How it is possible? That means here just the coronavirus just to create a fear. It is not killing the people. You can see in India, I think more than 1 lakh cases, only 3,000 people are died in the last 3 months. In a month, more than 10,000 people will die in the accidents. It is not the death rate of corona is not more than accidents at all. You can check that reports, but it is creating a fear in millions of people. but accident will not create a fear in everywhere. So the virus is creating a fear. It just created a fear in everybody, so that everybody being careful not to kill animals, to take care of the animal kingdom, to take care of the plant kingdom, to take care of the mineral kingdom. So meditation is the highest technology on this earth to get the highest immunity power. 2009 10, you can consider, to till today I did not take single sick leave. I got fever, I got cold, cough, everything is there, but that is part of the life that goes on. But not even one day sick leave. IT industry, how many people are taking sick leaves? They are going to the doctors, they are spending money to their family members, but they don't have time for meditation. They don't have time 1 hour for being with themselves, but they have time to go to the doctors, to take an appointment, to take a surgery, or to spend money. If you meditate, you can save your health, you can save your money, and you can be happy in the life. What every human being required, my dear friends, being healthy and happy, right? Now my family is whole happy, no problem for us. See, nobody will die with lack of food, you know. Everybody will get food. The street people also will get the food, no problem. But they have crores, but they don't have a peace of mind. They have a crores, but there is no health. Immunity system is not there. They are dying. They are living in dying. They have money, but with money you cannot buy, because you just made your mind as a dustbin. To make that to come to normal state, only the practice, what we must do is meditation. I'll give one more case study, my dear friends. I think exactly 2 years before, when I was in Bangalore, I got a call from one person. I made her to meditate and I made her to visit Pyramid Valley. She is from one of the rich family. She called me, said, sir, my father is not well. Can you guide us to meditate? Then we went to his place. From Soul Trends, Santosh sir and Vishwa, they both went to his place. He's having more than 300 houses in Bangalore, 300 houses. He get rent itself 10 lakh rupees for a month. He went to all the doctors. Then he was lying in the bed. He said, I cannot sit anymore. I just have to. He's monitoring his business also using the CCTV from his home. He said, I cannot sit anymore. I am just like this. So you just help me. Then they told him, you practice 40 days meditation regularly, you see the changes. He started continuing for first day he can only sit for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, okay? Only 5 minutes. But after 40 days, he is able to drive his car. He is so happy. His wife is very happy. That is another transformation. Like that, we have so many case studies. Either somebody believe it or not, that is the truth. Truth is always better, right? So if somebody says that you will fail in the life, truth is better. Always we have success and failure. Two coins of the, so head and tail are the two faces of the coin, right? Similarly, we have a good and bad. We have success, we have a failure. Either we accept, you don't accept, does not matter. The truth will not change. My dear friends, meditation is the highest technology on this earth right now. To have 100% immunity system, you meditate every day. There is a lot of people got suffered through corona, but still you won't have any fear. The fear, okay, even if the corona did not affected, something else will affect tomorrow because of the fear. How to overcome from the fear? The fear is coming from the thoughts. You watch, okay, 10 hours for a day news, you are increasing their brands, right? So you just watching the news, then automatically you will be affected. They are not affected at all. Earlier, before 10 years in my village, I'll tell the case study. The people used to watch only half an hour news for a day. Every day, night 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Only half an hour, 30 minutes. So they have only little information what is required about society. Right now, every day, okay, every time everybody home, you just go, just they are watching the news, breaking news. Somebody passed away, somebody got accident, somebody murdered, something. Then automatically on the negativity, right? What happens? It creates a fear. They are living with the fear. Automatically, they are going to suffer. They get BP, they get cancer, they get something else. My dear friends, to be happy and healthy is only the meditation is the solution. If either not now, the people will realize after 5 years, or people will realize after 10 years, or after 50 years. The truth will never change. Only we have to change. Maybe we may take a time to change, but the truth is the meditation. So meditation is beyond medical science. So many patients are dealt with the meditation where the doctor said that it is not possible. They are right as per their knowledge. They are not wrong, because they have studied some portion of the medical science, but they did not study the soul science. The problem here is, okay, with the mind. Earlier, the people used to do more physical work, less mental work. Nowadays, we are doing more mental work than physical work. You can get water bottle also delivered at your home, rice bag also delivered at home. But where the problem is happening, why you are getting BP sugar, you are being at home, sitting in the IT industry with AC and with all the 5-star luxury facilities, but why are you getting sugar and BP? The problem with here. The root is here. To clean that mind every day, we must have to meditate, my dear friends. When you meditate, you have highest immunity power in your body. You don't need to take any sick list. You don't need to spend any medical bills. I don't have any medical insurance. So many people asked me take. I said I don't want any more. I don't need to pay anything for that. So that is where you have your health is in your control. When your mind is in control, when you are under control of your mind, then you get everything. You will be infected. Now in my village, my classmate, okay, 30 years age. Yesterday he went to hospital. He got some back pain. They said we just need to go with the surgery. At the age of 30, if you go for a surgery, how can I live happily for the next 50 years? Think about it. Only at the age of 30. Think, my dear friends, when you practice meditation every day, you are taking care of your health. You are taking care of your happiness. You are taking care of yourself, not anybody. First, when you are being healthy and happy, you can help to your family, your society, your friends, anybody. When I am not being healthy, how can I just work for that? So, like this, there are so many case studies. So, my dear friends, meditation improves our immunity system. Once you practice meditation, you can come out of your headache to cancer, any disease, no problem. But you have to increase the number of hours of meditation. Every day you have to be with your breath. Then you can see so many thoughts which you don't want to have, that is running in your mind. So now let us do meditation for next 15 minutes. Everybody cross your legs like this. Cross your legs and cross your fingers like this. Cross your legs and close your eyes. I'll play the music. Do not open your eyes for the next 15 minutes. Be with your breath. Be with your breath. Last 2 minutes. Keep both hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. Just slowly remove your hands and Open your eyes. I welcome you all back to the session. You can see uh, an image here. Everybody please read this. When the energy of the soul is thus dissipated, the physical body becomes weak and more susceptible to attacks from various external sources, resulting in diseases. Thus, 90% diseases are psychomatic. So, this is the statement from WHO, World Health Organization. So, this is the truth. Either you believe, you won't believe. The truth is always there. So, this is where you need to understand. You want to give a temporary solution to your problem, or you wanted to solve the problem. Only you can solve the problem if you know the solution to the problem. The solution to the problem is only meditation. Okay. So now I'll just close the session for today. So whatever the questions you have, you please raise. I will answer. And also we sent an invitation to join in the WhatsApp group. We posted it in the chat box. So please click on that link and join the WhatsApp group. There in that WhatsApp group, we'll share the recordings of yesterday and today, and also the PPTs, and also the musics also we will share in that group, and we can be in touch and to discuss more, and also to share our experiences, and as well as the doubts whatever you have, you can just ask and we will answer. So that helps every one of us. And whoever wanted to ask a question, please um, raise your hand. We will unmute you, and you can just ask your question, please. Yeah, there is a question that whenever I meditate, I feel pain in my shoulders, headache, head and neck. Okay, madam, thanks for your question. See, my dear friends, see, you wear a shirt for 1 day or 2 day. You cannot see the dust, but while washing, the dust is coming. That means that is going out of your shirt, right? So similarly, when you are meditating, you'll get lot many pains. You just have to bear with the pain. That may be the pain which is there in the past, or that is going to come in future, maybe after 1 year or 2 years. But when you are meditating, you are getting that pain just to, okay, um, is getting healed. So when you are getting healed, you just get more pain. You just go, you are suffering from a fever, you go to hospital, the doctor gives an injection, you feel pain, oh, like this, right? Because why? When to kill the virus inside, they apply injection so that the virus will be killed. Similarly, when you are meditating, there is a more and more cosmic energy is flowing. Where you are getting the pain, it's getting healed there. So cosmic energies go to all the parts of your body. Wherever there is a problem, it will just, okay, solve the problem. That means it will just heal the problem. See, you may be having earlier in the past pains that will be healed, or the future pains also will be healed. Both cases are there, both is going to happen. So you no need to worry at all. You just have to accept that pain. I said that I got a migraine headache in 2009. So before meditation I had only little bit. When I started meditation, it became 10 times more than that. But I asked masters, you said that it will get healed, why it is increasing so much? They said it is getting healed, you have to bear with the pain. After 1 week, completely the pain has gone. So whatever you get in the meditation, you just please accept and bear the pain. After meditation, you will not have a pain. After meditation, you will not have a thoughts. So you wanted to have a peaceful and happy after meditation. At the time of meditation, it is a process of getting healed. So you just accept everything in the meditation. In the meditation, don't accept, I don't want to have any thoughts. But you can see your blank mind after meditation. You can see concentration. You can see memory power after meditation. We can see the result that after completion of meditation, whatever you do the activity, you have 100% focus. I think someone raised their hand. Okay. Yes, Shubhangi, you can speak.
Yes, so hello, sir.
Yes,
The meditation practice was good today, and
thank you,
I have a
ma'am.
question that,
Yes,
for example, you have various problems going on simultaneously,
yeah,
which happens for everybody. So,
yeah.
are we supposed to focus the meditation center on one particular problem, or is it a 360-degree approach?
No, you don't focus on any problem. You just focus on your breath. The problems will be solved automatically.
Okay,
If you
thank you.
focus on the problem will be multiplied, madam.
Okay,
We never
got it.
focus on any problem. We just focus on our breath so that it gives a solution to our problem. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, I think Sai Ram. Sai Ram, can you speak? I think Sai Ram, can you able to speak? Okay, Sai Ram can speak now. Okay, there is some problem, I think. Okay, now the another question is, my friend is suffering from headache from childhood and the medicines make her fat. How many hours of meditation can cure her? Okay, madam, let's start with 1 hour, then slowly increase to 2 hours, then 3 hours. Then they have to feel comfortable. That also should not happen forcefully. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Slowly it increases up to 6 hours if they practice for 40 days. If they do 6 hours for a day, they completely come out of this headache. No more headache till their last breath. This I can give guarantee of it. Every day let them do 6 hours meditation for 40 days. After 40 days, they no need to go to any doctor or any medicines or no headache at all. And okay, thank you, Saurabh. And which is the better results, yoga or meditation? See, my dear friends, yoga is only going to give you the physical fitness, not the mind fitness at all. There are so many people, even though they do yoga, they are suffering from so many diseases. You know why? That gives you the physical fitness, no doubt. But now I said the problems are coming from mental. So to heal with the mental things, only you have one option, that is only meditation. So to become mentally strength, you must have to meditate. To become physically strong, physical fitness, then you just have to do yoga. So you wanted to do both, nothing wrong of doing yoga, but you must meditate because all your tasks, now you are working in a project, what you need to get a best achievement award from your team lead, or your manager, best appreciation if you wanted to get, then what is the solution for that? The solution is only you have to become strong in that. So when you can become strong in your mind, so that you can handle the situation. So which is results, yoga or meditation? That is the answer. Now anybody can unmute yourself. I just gave an access, so unmute yourself. You can raise your question. And there is a okay. From
Sir, Vinay has a question: how to increase interest in meditation?
okay, madam, when we have a question, so when we are doing a meditation, then only we'll get a solution. So we have to just keep it on hold. See, I have a question of getting whether I'll get a job or not. So to get some little confidence, I have to keep that thought aside, have to work on that. If I did not work on that, still I'm thinking whether I'll get job or not. It will not give clarity because I did not get job for 5 years. How it will give a clarity? It won't give a clarity. My mind won't give a clarity. My mind only just tell the possibilities not to get job, because since 5 years it is thinking the same. So instead of thinking what I am have to do it, I just have to keep that aside. Just have to focus on the meditation slowly. Then one fine day I'll get a solution for that problem. Okay, how to increase the interest towards meditation? The another question. So interest towards meditation, see, right? So you have love meditation. You have to love meditation. See, you love some hero, right? You will wait for 1 year to watch that movie. So you love a cricket, you wait for 2020 match. So it happens once in a year. You wait for that. It is night 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You won't get sleep because you just have to love your job. I love meditation. I love mainframe. So I don't get any problem or any irritation because I love it. So what I want in my life, I just have to love. You have to love money. You have to love being healthy. You have to love meditation. Then it will come. Then your interest will increase only just by loving something. Okay. Madam, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, next question is, how does meditation helps ourselves during adverse times in life? Example, your dad's health condition. How is your mental state when you are practicing meditation? See, madam, thanks for your question. See, Diksha madam sent a question. How does meditation helps ourselves during adverse times in life? Example, your dad's health condition. How easy your mental state when you are practicing meditation? See, after coming to the meditation, I got a stability in my mind to accept success and failure, to accept good situations in the life and bad situations in the life. Okay, not only in my father's health, even in my business also I had so many difficulties in the year 2015. But still, we start experiencing that. See, after meditation, I only learned two things. Many things I learned, but two things are very important in my life. That is, in a business, you'll get a profit, which your mind feel happy. You get a failure in your business, your soul is happy. Because you know why? Soul need experiences, mind need just only success. So to become successful, you have to go through so many failures. Your soul enjoys your failures because you have so many lessons to be learned in the life. Whom to trust, whom not to trust, whom to do business, whom not to do business. So you know, okay, from where you get money, from where you won't get money, from where you get knowledge, from where you won't get it. So meditation teaches us that how to live our life, okay, in both phases, right? Both good and bad, both worst situations and as well as the best situations in the life. Both are being the state. See, you have financially okay, not okay, but still you will be enjoying your life because meditation gives, okay, your state of mind is very very important. You know why? So after coming to the meditation, okay, once we understand the life, then if somebody lost in the business, it's okay. I did not lost it, still also it's okay. I'm gaining also, it's okay. Okay, in this month there are selections, in this month there are not selections, still my state of mind, that means my happiness is not related to what you have right now. My happiness is when you practice your meditation, you are already being happy, remaining all our general things happens in the life. You just have to go with the flow. You cannot control everything in your control. You cannot keep, even though you have everything, you cannot control everything in your life. Just you have to go with the flow. But when you are already happy in your mind, when you are strong in your mind, you accept everything in the life. Is it clear, Diksha ma'am? Okay, someone raised their hand. I think you can unmute, anyone can unmute yourself and you can ask a question. Okay, what is the difference between psychomatic and psychotic? So, see, it is all about the mind, right? So, the problem comes from external. Now you take somebody got an accident or injury to their leg. They must have to go to a medical doctor. I say that. Okay, the medication cannot stop the bleeding of the uh, blood. So then they must have to go for that. But when you don't have any physical, means that problem, physically you are fine. It looks like a software engineer looks like very okay, handsome or beautiful and looks very strong, but mental problem created them, okay, disease. That is where the psychomatic. Some tips for increasing concentration to do meditation. So you just have to love meditation. Once you start loving meditation, once you take the meditation into your life, automatically you will increase your meditation, your concentration to do meditation. Automatically it happens. Sairam has a question. Meditation is meditation, right? Okay, meditation is cure for the health problems. Yes, of course, it is the solution to all your health problems, right? See, since 2009, I'm just made meditation is a part of my life. I'm just being healthy and happy. These two are the two things which you get automatically. Self-healing happens and automatically you are being happy with whatever you have. Either success, failure is a part of the life, but you are being happy. Yeah, Karthikeyan is asked a question, how meditation helps to visualize the goal. Thank you, Karthik. So for your question, see, in visualization part, let me tell you, because yesterday also many of one or two people asked this question. See, in visualization, there is a something called Secret the Power. Is the book or also movie is also there. I'll share the link in our WhatsApp group that says that ask, believe, receive. Whatever you want, you have to ask to the universe. Then you have to believe it. Then you will receive. Meditation gives only chances to believe that it will happen. Let me give you an example. In 2010, we are 26 people in our batch of training, mainframe training. We all completed. None of our friends got job. All 26 people are unemployed. All my friends says that no jobs in the market. Okay, not at all there. No mainframe. You just have to change the technology. These are the thoughts coming from everybody. After 5 months of training, training completed after 5 months, still my friends are talking about this is the negativity. But I just started meditation. I started practicing meditation. I started believing there is a possibility of being successful, possibility of being getting a job. Then that belief system is happened or created only by practicing meditation. Without meditation, if you just visualize, we ourselves will reject our visualization after 2 or 3 days. We reject ourselves because we don't have a belief on ourselves. But to get that belief, you must have to meditate. When we meditate, how we get belief? With our work, we get belief created automatically. Once we start working towards to get a job, automatically our belief system will increase only with the help of meditation. So that is where meditation helps us in visualizing something, okay, to achieve our goal. So I will take one class for visualization about my experiences also. So after a few days, because there are 11 topics as we mentioned in the flyer, we are going with one after the other. This is the second topic today. Helpful for our life. Meditation, okay, is helping to our life. Yes, of course, meditation is going to helpful to our life. Okay, yes, sir. Thank you. Okay. It's been a month that I stopped doing meditation, but now I'm trying to do meditation, but I'm not able to concentrate. Please help me. You just attend all these 21 days sessions. Already this is the third day. The remaining 18 days you just attend. Automatically you will just come out of this. It takes some time, right? So you take, children's will take 2 months break, okay, in the summer holidays. Again, it will take 1 month to come back to the normal state. That happens with every human being. So it is a part of the practice. Just you be there with all these days for classes, then automatically you can just love of doing meditation. You just love to do meditation. Okay, thank you, Vardhan. Can sankalp or firm thought in mind when we start meditation can help to achieve our goal? Yes, of course. So there is something called power of intent, that is called sankalpa dhyanam. So in English we call it the power of thought or power of intent. Then yeah, of course, the meditation gives an energy to your thought. I want to become a millionaire or billionaire. Then the meditation what I'm doing, it's going to work for that thought. Then it's create a situations to achieve that. It won't happen automatically. It will create a situations. We have to accept that situations and we have to go with the situations that will happen. How to know is what stage of meditation I am, because I started before 6 months and still feel like a beginner. I cannot focus on breath. I start imagining. So you just have to, when you are unable to focus, again you have to focus on your breath. So there is no levels. So see, it depends upon your thoughts. So everybody will not have the same thoughts, and there are no levels as per my knowledge. So even right now also, if I sit in meditation, I'll get thoughts, because I work and I talk to so many people, I discuss with so many things. All those things comes in my mind. After maybe 30-40 minutes only, I'll get thoughtless stage. That happens with everybody. The moment people thinks that after getting 5 years into meditation or 10 years into meditation, immediately they close their eyes, they go to thoughtless stage. That never possible. Okay, as per my knowledge, only the possibility you have is, okay, you can reduce your thoughts, then you just go in a deep state of meditation after some point of time only. Even for me also, I get many thoughts, even just if I sit in